In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put YouTube Music in alphabetical order. First, open your browser and search for YouTube Music. Type YouTube Music into the search bar at the top, then press Enter. You should now see search results with YouTube Music right near the top. The official site usually shows the familiar red and white play icon next to the name, and the address will mention music.youtube. Take a second to confirm you see that, so you know you are heading to the correct site before moving on. Once that is ready, click the correct YouTube Music link, then sign in. If you already have a Google account, use that same email and password here. After sign in, the YouTube Music homepage loads, with sections like Home, Explore, and Library in view. If you land on a generic YouTube page instead, go back and make sure you chose the YouTube Music result rather than the regular YouTube link. When you see the music-focused layout, you are in the right place to sort your songs. Next up, tap or click on the Library tab. On mobile, this sits in the bottom navigation bar. On desktop, you will find Library along the left sidebar. Once you select it, the main area switches from recommendations to your personal collection. You will see your saved playlists, liked songs, albums, and artists grouped here. Beginners often forget to come into Library and try to sort from home, but sorting only applies inside Library, where your own content appears. After that, tap on one of the category chips at the top of your library. The chips include playlists, albums, and artists. Pick the type of content you want to sort alphabetically. For example, choose playlists if you want your playlists in order. When you tap a chip, the list beneath it changes to show only that category. If you switch from playlists to albums later, you will set sorting separately for that view, which can be helpful if you like different orders for each type. Now look directly below the category chips for a small drop-down menu text. This text shows the current sorting method. It usually defaults to something like recent activity or recently added. The font is smaller than the category names, so do not confuse it with the chips themselves. Once you find it, glance at what it says now, so you understand how your list has been ordered up to this point. Knowing the current sort helps you spot the change when you switch to alphabetical. With that ready, tap that sorting text to open the drop-down menu, then select A to Z from the options. As soon as you choose A to Z, your collection instantly rearranges itself in alphabetical order, without any save button. Scroll through the list and you will see titles starting from A at the top, moving through the alphabet as you go down. If you ever want to change it back, you can return to this same menu and pick a different sort option. You have now sorted your YouTube Music library alphabetically for the category you chose, making everything much easier to find. If this helped you organize your music, give the video a quick thumbs up to help others, and subscribe if you want more simple tips like this.